Hello guys. So now we will discuss today how to connect different files to our canvas, that means our Power BI. So eventually we all have these flat files. Flat files means text file and Excel file. So these are known as flat file sources, right? So primarily in our case study, which is for adventure works, we have an entirely flat data with us. So let's see how we can connect to that data. As you can see, already the version of Power BI that I am using, it's already prompting me to connect to the data or add data. So I'll just click here simply. Let's see. It's processing. Still processing. See, it's open up the entire box. As you can see, I have simply clicked on this and it is going to open up the entire option list of all the options through which we can actually select. Now that is the one thing. It's just working on the same. There we go. So this is the kind of box. We get a live dialog box. I will simply close it down. If you go, okay, cancel. So you simply go on the home tab. You can see here the get data. Under the get data, same options you can see. In the real situations also you can go here, the and all the Power BI contains the same options like this. So you have an Excel workbook. Now fortunately we have here option like text public CSV format. Okay, so under that you can see the options. So okay, so options available because our purpose is to connect the CSV file, right? So now we can simply click on this. I clicked here. Okay, so guys, I'm already into the folder. This data source I have already shared it with you. So you can simply browse to your place where you have saved this entire and okay, entire data. So now we need to connect to the data. Let's suppose I have here customer, okay, adventure works customer. So I just simply clicked on it. Okay, so these all files are CSV files, so that's why I can see all these files present here. If one of the file is from the different version, so I cannot see that because we already selected the TSV oblique CSV. That's why we can see all these files over here. I simply select the customer adventure works. Now I clicked on the open. Okay, so it's processing is going on. Okay, see, it's a connecting. Sometimes it takes time, it depends on your file. Okay, so simply, so see, it simply open up the one pop-up window where you can see the file origin, delimiter, and the data type detection, right? So this is the important what is trying to do it. It's trying to find out the data types of each column. Okay, so based on the first 200 rows into the data, okay, so it detects the data type for the each row, right? So we have over 18,000 plus number of customers in the file. So based on the first 200 customers data, it is detecting the data type. So which is actually absolutely fine. We need not to do anything into this. It's pretty smart into such a things. So we have two options with us. Either we can transform the data or load the data. If you click on the transform, it will take us to the Power Query. So we'll talk about that later on because in detail I'm not going to into that. If I clicked on the load, it will get loaded over here into our model, right? So I just simply click over here on the load. So in this field you will start seeing the data. So let me show you. Okay, I clicked on load, so it's still a loading. So it's loading, right? On the right hand side you can see this thing like under the data, its processing is still going on. So that means the fields are loading on the data side because we are loaded the data, right? So working. Okay. So now here we go. That's done now. And now the right hand side you can see the list of all the fields which comes into that one query. That means this all fields comes under your adventure works customer. Okay, so this data, the CSV is loaded in our data field. So now you can directly check this under your data view, right? So actually the all fields comes under the data view. See, right? So related with our adventure works, right? So one more thing, that once you loaded with the data, you can check this table under this report view, data view, as well as the relationship. That means model view also. If you click on the model view, you can see the table is here now. Yes, right? Perfect. So now once you check the data view, it is our prior point. That means you can check all the details related with the table. You can check over there. When the column field and these rows all already are here, right?